Hi there, students. A menagerie, a countable noun. Okay, a menagerie is a collection of wild animals. It's a zoo, effectively. Um, I think in the past, lords and the aristocracy used to have their own private collections of animals, and these were menageries. Yeah, I think some dictators have their own menageries nowadays. Okay, but a menagerie. Today I would just call it a zoo. But notice you can use this word as a type of joke. So, for example, you see your friend come into work and you say, "So, how's the menagerie at home?" Yeah, okay, the collection of wild animals, your family. Or, for example, I was watching the menagerie at the House of Commons the other day. It's just quite incredible. So you can use it as a joke to criticize, to say it's like a collection of wild animals. These aren't like sophisticated human beings. This is just a menagerie of people. Yeah, where they're not they don't behave. Yeah, so a menagerie, a collection of wild animals. Yeah, but effectively just a zoo. Okay, so the the menagerie in the football stands were shouting and screaming abuse at the opposition players. Okay, a menagerie of comedians, for example, or I don't know, a menagerie of clowns. Yeah, you can use it to say a varied mixture. Yeah, maybe there was a menagerie of different statues, of strange statues in the garden. Okay, so a menagerie, a collection of of things that are a bit strange. They behave in a rather weird way. Yeah. So modern cities, are they civilized places or are they a menagerie? Okay, as to formality, if you use this word to talk about a zoo, I think I'd probably give it a 7.5 or 8 in formality. But if you're using it as a joke to describe something as uncivilized, not well behaved, then I think you could use it anywhere. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality for that. Yeah. So, yeah, teaching in schools is a bit like living in a menagerie. Yeah. The teacher said that he had to get back to the menagerie. Okay. Um, let's see. As to origin, this word comes from menagerie, from French, which means a menagerie, from ménager, which means to keep house or the household. And in the past, one of the duties of the household or the household servants was to take care of the domestic animals. Yeah, so that's where it comes from. So a menagerie. Yeah, the menagerie in the high street and in the clubs and the pubs on a Saturday night. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Menagerie.